Jesus. Evil man.
Enough! Enough! I am your elder brother and I'm not going to stand here and have you insult me. Enough! Elder brother, my fools! When I become king of this royal kingdom, I will make you my chief guard.
I am not going to stand back and watch Ikenna become king over me.
You have a choice to make.
Stay away from this and mind your business.
I am your senior and I deserve respect.
Senior, my fault.
That's happening. Show me this man. I don't want people to think that I'm trying to come in between you and Yezemo's daughter.
But it is you that I want. That you are the one that I love. I cannot marry Adako.
He will never marry that girl, not when I am alive.
Hey, Papa, now that you're alive, do something now. Do something now you're alive.
The fact that he is the Yezemo does not give him the right, nor the power to influence my choice.
He is still insisting that I marry him. I have told him that things cannot work out between us, but he seemed not to understand.
The heart of man is full of deceit and evil.
Hey! So you have decided to ruin my life in this community.
Make him understand that a criminal cannot be made king in this community.
All of you.
Up! Out! You're all hypocrites! Get out!
Why are you still standing there?
Move! Yeah!